good one.
First, you gotta make sure.
Barney, you gonna give us a tutorial? Hey. Hey, you okay, man?
Holy shit.
You okay?
That was gonna fall.
I guess you can call this a tutorial how to install the camber bolt.
Camber bolt.
So it's pretty much bolt off.
Where's the
bolt on?
Where do you want? Where the?
Where do you want? I had it. So before we start, I guess, if you want positive camber, this is out. If you want negative, this little pointy thing is that way. Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong.
I'm just.
I don't know. This is what they said on YouTube.
Yes. I'll take that.
Thank you, Barney. So that's pretty much it. Barney, this took what? 5 minutes? Maybe less? That was a quick install, I guess.
Well, in the video it looks like 5 minutes. But...
No. What about 5, 7 to 8 to 9 to 10, 30 minutes?
Maybe an hour.
Nah, probably what, 5 minutes? Quick install just to, I guess, adjust your wheels, negative or positive. Mine were negative, so I'm trying to get them positive because I don't know if you can see, but I'm messing up the tread here in the wheel. Might need new tires, but I've had, since I lowered the car about 2 years ago and I never changed it, but I'm doing it now, so better late than never. We're officially done.
Finally.
Painted both, painted
2 days.
the caliper, no I didn't.
More than a month.
Painted the caliper and installed the camber bolts. Mine's dirty, Barney's is clean. There's Barney 2.0 and there's a slow Merrill 2.0.
2.0.
1.0, 2.0, 1.
3.8, dude, what the fuck?
No, you idiot. Like version 1.0, version 2.0.
Ah, right.
Freshman.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a blessed day as always. This is pretty much going to conclude the video. It is getting kind of dark out, but the good thing is that we finished already. As y'all saw in the video, we painted the brake calipers. Alright, brake caliper. I was missing just one. We had done 3 calipers, and this is we just needed this last one. We had been doing about 1 caliper a week pretty much, or we did 2 1 week and then 1 the other week, and then we finally finished this one. I've been having a busy schedule lately, so I hadn't been able to do it. I had gone to a car show with 3 brake calipers painted. I didn't get that on film for you guys, I'm sorry. Now I have all 4 calipers painted. It looks pretty well. I'm trying to restore the car. If you can see, I don't know too much restoration, but trying to fix it up, trying to make it look nice, car show, presentable and stuff like that. This is my daily driver, so I'm just trying to fix the little knickknacks here and there. The thing with the calipers, I had done them a while back, and they were painted gold. Me and a friend had done them, and they were like golds. I was trying to do this Iron Man theme. It didn't work out too well, but I just threw raw gold paint on them, and it looked good for about a week. After that, it just looked really, really bad. So I don't recommend just throwing paint on your calipers. This time we did it with primer, then we threw the base coat, then we did color effects. It's this type of clear coat that gives it like a real metallic glittery look, and then we just sealed it off with some clear coat. Now it looks pretty glossy, it looks really nice. The other 3 haven't looked faded or anything like that. I've had them probably for about 3 weeks. Just did the new one, so now I have all 4 painted. The second thing we did was install the camber bolts, because when I lowered the car, and I'm gonna tell you guys for future reference for anybody who wants to lower the car, buy these camber bolts. They're about $25 in American Muscle or LMR, wherever you want to buy them. You will need them because you will start getting that negative camber in the front 2 wheels. If you don't know what that is, the camber just means when the wheel goes in or just goes out. But now since they're negative, I want to have a positive camber to them so they can just be neutral right down the middle. So now I need to take it to an alignment shop so they can fix that for me. Just trying to restore the car here and there. I do drive a 2012 Mustang for those who don't know. And if you're new to the channel, just make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with content, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. May God bless you guys.